All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with clickmill.co. In this video, we're going to be just answering the most basic question about SEO, which is what is SEO? And I want to start you out and just make sure we're not going over, just totally flying over the top and just missing the most basic thing. So SEO stands for search engine optimization. Similarly, SEM stands for search engine marketing. Basically the same thing. I've been doing this 6-7 years now. And as far as I'm aware, there's not really a lot of difference there. If you're marketing on a search engine, you're optimizing your stuff for a search engine, it's the same thing. Anyway, what does that mean? Okay, so when we go to a search engine, YouTube, Google, Bing, Yahoo, I don't know, whatever all the search engines are, Perplexity is a new one that's an AI search engine. And we're going to peek at a couple of these. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so what happens is we take the keyword. We're going to talk about keywords in a future video. We take the keyword, we put it in. I put in ChatGPT, which is the keyword, and it pulls up a bunch of articles and pages that have to do with ChatGPT. So search engine optimization is how you change your page so that the search engine wants to show you at the top. So here you'll notice ChatGPT, which is an AI tool that a lot of marketers are using. ChatGPT, their owner's company, right, which is OpenAI, they show up at the top. This is ChatGPT. If you click on this, you'll go through to the actual tool and you'll use the AI. So it makes sense why this shows up at the top. Now, if we were to do something different, how to build a deck, for example, what shows up at the top? If you own a contractor's company and you look up how to build a deck, what does Google think people want? Well, it's mapping keywords, this how to build a deck keyword, and it's mapping it over how to build a deck videos. So people are actually more interested in videos for this type of thing. Who ranks #1 with blogs? Home Depot. So Home Depot wants to teach you how to build a deck. Why do they want to do that? Well, because they sell deck building stuff. So that makes a lot of sense. And so search engine optimization, to come back and answer this question in its most basic form, is taking this keyword that is put into the browser. And again, this can be YouTube or anything else, takes the keyword and it just looks at what are all the pages that say how to build a deck, which ones are the most reputable, and let's just match it up. They looked up how to build a deck. Here's a video that says how to build a deck. That is the most basic explanation of search engine optimization. So we are, and breaking down that term, search engine, Google, YouTube, Yahoo, Bing, that's the search engine, and we're optimizing. Optimizing means to make small changes to make whatever you're doing better. So if we're optimizing websites and web pages and videos for search engines, then we're tweaking them to take advantage, in a good way, of the algorithm that Google uses. So we would say, well, in this case, if I'm doing some research for, let's say, a client that wants me to give them content on how to build a deck, and what am I going to do? I'm going to say, well, Home Depot's down here with their article, which is great. But even above that, what do we have? We have a bunch of videos. You should definitely make sure you have a really, really good video. Let's go look at that. We're optimizing. Usually you'd write an article for clients, but this needs a video. So we're going to make a video, but we're also going to write an article. We're going to put that video in the article. So you have the best video, you have the best article, and the likelihood that you rank high here and high here is optimized. Does that mean you will? Not necessarily, but when you do that 50 times or 100 times for a client, they're going to rank well for some things. So this is search engine optimization. We're optimizing our website. We're optimizing our web pages, our service pages, our home pages, our product pages, so that Google knows what's on them. And when someone looks up a keyword and your page is there because you chose what keywords are there, it's going to match you up and you're going to get the clients or the congregation members that you were intending to look for. So this is an example of search engine optimization and just a basic explanation. I will see you in the very next video.